boys and girls. So I'm going to go over with you today your science senses spinner and how to do that and how to make it work and then how to use it. So you're going to need, let's see, it'll be upside down, but at least you'll see what I'm doing. You're going to need your senses sheet. What are my 5 senses? And you can just rip it right out of your booklet. That's what I did. I just pulled it out because there's nothing on the back of this one. So you're going to need this sheet. And then in your resource pickup that you just picked up from the school with your tangrams, you have some of these little brass things. So you have some paper clips in there, and then you have some of these little golden things, and these are called brass fasteners. We're going to need one of those to put this together, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is color both of these circles, the pictures in the circles. I'm going to skip that step so I can move quickly and show you how to do the next step. The next step is very carefully using your best cutting, you're going to cut out the circles. Cutting out circles can be tricky, so a trick is to hold your scissors straight and move the paper with your other hand. If you try to move the scissors, that's when things get tricky. But if you just keep holding the scissors straight, so see, I didn't move my scissors from this spot, but I moved the paper with my other hand. That seems to be easier. So watch, I'm gonna hold the scissors, but move the paper with my other hand and keep cutting around and around and around the whole circle so you can get it cut out. Once you have both of these circles cut out, and this one has a little pizza slice in the middle that you also want to cut out. Once you have both of your circles cut out, there's a dot in the middle of one, and the intersection, or the part where all the lines come, in the middle of the other one. You're going to need to take your pencil and you're going to want to poke a hole with that. Okay, so the easiest way to do it is just hold it in your hand. Make sure that your fingers are apart and just poke right in the middle, and then it pokes through. See that? This one too, you want to poke right on that dot. If you cut really close to the dot, move a little bit away from the dot, but you want to poke just right on that dot. And again, just poke it through just like that. If it rips, just get a piece of tape and you can tape the end there. Then the last thing you want to do is stack them one on top of each other. Take your brass fastener. You're going to poke it through the first one and poke it through the second one. Then you got to kind of open the legs to make it stay. So one of these sticks goes one way and the other one of those sticks goes the other way. So it lies flat. See that? Now if I flip it over, I can spin it around. And that's how we're going to practice. So you could say, okay, I know hearing. I know taste. I know sight. And you can practice and see if you know all of your 5 senses. Have fun.